Let's break down something every truck driver needs to know. The 70-hour rule over 8 days, part of the hours of service, HOS regulations, and why they matter more than you think. Sounds a bit dry, doesn't it? But stick with me. We're going to keep it simple and maybe even have a little fun along the way. So what's the deal with the 70-hour, 8-day rule? Well, if you're driving a commercial vehicle and you're not just doing a short daily jaunt, you're probably already familiar with this rule. It basically means you can drive for a total of 70 hours over an 8-day stretch. Think of it like your weekly time budget, just like how you budget your money. You can spend 70 hours on the road over those 8 days, and then you've got to take a breather. Now, why 70 hours? Why 8 days? Well, it's all about keeping our roads safe and making sure truckers like you aren't driving while overly tired. I don't know about you, but when I miss out on sleep, I'm not exactly the safest person to be around, let alone driving a big rig. Let's break this down a bit. Picture you're starting your work week on Monday. You drive for, say, 10 hours each day from Monday to Thursday. By Thursday, you've already clocked 40 hours. Keep going like this. And by the end of Saturday, you'd have hit your 70-hour limit. What happens next? Time for a break. Here's something important. The 70-hour rule doesn't reset automatically. To restart your hours, you'll need a 30-hour break, known as the 34-hour restart. It's your reset button, giving you a fresh clock and a chance to recharge. But wait, there's a twist. This isn't a weekends off type of deal. Instead, your hours roll over. That means if you worked 10 hours on that first Monday, those hours drop off after 8 days, giving you some room to add more time the following Tuesday. It's kind of like making space in your closet for new clothes. Let's not forget, the rules are meant to keep you safe, not just regulated. Fatigue is real. It's like that feeling after eating a big lunch when all you want to do is nap. Except you're behind the wheel, and that's no joke. Now, I'll be straight with you. Tracking these hours can get tricky. It's not just about driving time. You've got to consider all work-related activities. Luckily, there are electronic logs and apps to help keep track of this stuff. And if you're ever feeling overwhelmed by all the paperwork and regulations, you can always get in touch with us at Moving Authority. We're here to help you sort through the red tape. Visit us at movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. Thanks for hanging out with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. Safe travels out there, and keep those eyes on the road.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.